Good morning, kids. Today we'll be studying from Environmental Studies Looking Around. I request you all to please open the book and come to chapter number 3, A Day with Nandu. Nandu wakes up. Nandu woke up and opened his eyes. For a few seconds, he was not sure where he was. It seemed to him that he was surrounded by a forest of big grey tree trunks. He blinked his eyes and looked around. Oh, there was Amma. So, who is Nandu? Nandu is a elephant. We are talking about an elephant who was sleeping. When he opened his eyes for a few minutes, he was confused that he is surrounded with a big grey forest. Do you think a forest can be grey? No. He was surrounded with elephants' feet, and their feet are in grey color. So he blinked his eyes and again looked around. He saw that there was Amma. Who is Amma? Amma is the name given to a mother. The grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the legs and the trunks of his family members. So he came to know that he was surrounded with his family members. The sun was overhead and it was getting hot. Nanima trumpeted, made a loud voice. That means now the sun is coming overhead and it was very hot. Nani Ma made the trumpet sound. That means elephants make trumpet sound to call the other animals towards them. So Nanima is the oldest elephant of the herd. A group of elephants, when they live together, is called herd. She started moving towards the jungle. The other female elephants saw her and started to follow her. Nandu also went with them. So everyone started following Nanima, and Nanima was getting inside the forest because it's already overhead sun. Do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kgs of leaves and twigs in a day? That means an elephant can eat 100 kgs of leaves and twigs in one day. Elephants do not rest. They only walk and walk. They only sleep for 2 to 4 hours in a day. Elephants play with mud and water. The mud keeps their body cool. The mud keeps their skin cool. Their big ears also work like fans, and the elephants flap these to keep themselves cool. Elephants always flap their ears to keep their skin cool, and they put mud on their skin so that they feel cool in the air. Lifestyle of elephants. They sleep only 2 to 3 hours. They live in a group. Eat more than 100 kg of twigs in a day. Love to play with mud and water. Use ears to keep themselves cool. When they reached the jungle, the member of the herd started spreading out. Each member went to eat her favorite leaves and twigs. After they have eaten, the herd moved towards the river. The baby elephant enjoying playing in the river. The mothers lay down in the water and mud on the river bank. When the kids reached to the jungle, they were very happy. The herd was enjoying. They spread it out, and each one wants to eat their favorite leaves and twigs. What do you mean by twigs? Twigs are the small branches which are easily breakable by the elephants to eat. After they have eaten, now it's time to move towards the river, and everybody started moving towards it. The baby elephants were playing in the water, and mother was sat near to the water so that they can have a watch on the elephants, and they were playing with mud also. Fun and games. Nandu saw his brothers and sister pulling each other's tail. He thought, I better not go near them. What if they fall on me? I am still small. He quietly went and stood near his mother. So Nandu was waiting that others will call to him. But he was surprised that nobody did, and he was even scared to go into the water because his brothers and sister will pull his leg. Amma gently pushed Nandu towards the water as she was telling him to go and play. Nandu loved to play in the water. His cousin was already there. Just as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousin. Nandu joined them in the game. So now Nandu was standing near to Amma, and Amma pushed him to went into the water. He went and he was enjoying with his cousin, and his cousins were putting water on him. Before sunset, the herd started coming back to the jungle, and Nandu was very tired. He just slept near the mother's legs and he felt asleep while drinking milk. Like elephants, some other animals also live in groups. Can you tell me? Yes, sheeps. Yes, fox. They live in a group which is called as herd. Animal and herd usually move all together for searching of food, and which gives them security, protection to be together. Herd of elephants mainly consist of female and baby elephants. Male elephants live till they are 14 to 15 years of age. 10 to 12 members in a group, headed by oldest female of group. So these are the things which tells us about the herd of elephants. Let's solve some riddle which is given in your book. The basket is the only home I have. I have forgotten what is it like to be in open jungle. Fresh air. For me, it is only the basket and the snake charmer. Yes, tell me what is it? Which animal? Yes, it is snake. Good. Meow, meow, meow. I can just roam around everywhere. Children loves me a lot. They pat me and also give me milk. Yes, you are right. It is cat. You have only seen how fast I run. Have you seen my shoes? Do you know how much pain I get when they fix the horseshoe to my hooves? Yes, tell me, it is horse. You see me in the circus, dancing and jumping through rings of fire. You clap and enjoy. Do you think that I also enjoy all this? If I do not do this, I will get no food, only get a beating. Yes, in circle what we see, it is beer. They make us dance and dance and dance, even if we don't want or we are in pain. That's too, with an empty of stomach. Yes, you are right. It is monkey. Goo, do you know? People specially call out to me to feed me and with grains. Yes, they are sparrows, birds. Thank you, kids. I hope you have understood the chapter.